Hey everybody, welcome to my new Scars. Come on, you and Files Markets. And if you guys want to see a wax haul, please stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So I'm doing a wax haul because yeah, since the Rona has hit, I've not been able to go to the wax lady, and I'm just like so upset about that. So I have to wax on my own. I've tried other waxes, but they were fails. So I saw this on YouTube, and I was like, this has to be a success because nobody has time. Okay. So let's just hope and pray that it is a success. Okay. So we're gonna start off with this. I did purchase all of this from Amazon, so I will get everything for you guys. So here we go. All right. So let's get closer. All right. So this is the Cerapill. This is the gel. Okay. So I believe this is like after you finish your waxing, you put this on. Okay. So this is like to relieve any type of pain or whatever that you're having. This is the lotion blue. I'm not too sure what this is, but yeah, I think you put this on. Let's see what it says. Hold on. Before waxing, apply the lotion to cleanse the skin. After waxing, apply the lotion. So you could use this before and after, and I believe you use this after. Let's see what this says. Hold on. You use this after waxing. Yes, this is for after. You could use this before and after. Okay. And then these are the beads here. Okay, so this is the beads, little beads here. It says the bestseller. That's what it looks like, the little beads. All right, so here it is. All right, the little beads. Okay, there we go. All right, and then we have the wax warmer. All right, so this is the wax warmer where I will put the little beads in. Okay. All right, I purchased all this from Amazon. Okay, so let's back it on up. All right, so that is it. So let me look on my phone for the damage. All right. Oh, I didn't sing my song. Damage. Chris Brown. Damage. That's gonna be the song every time we look for the price for items. Okay, because it's damage. Okay. I know it broke your heart. Yes, it has. Okay. Let me see. Oh Lord, the sticks. Okay. Oh, I got one more thing to show y'all. Let's see. Okay, so I gotta get the sticks. I'm sorry. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So here is the sticks. They're just regular sticks. Okay. Y'all probably looking at me like, well, how you gonna put the wax on? Here they go, the sticks. Okay. All right. So there we go. All right. So now we can look at the damage. All right. So I know y'all probably that aggravating. So since we showed the sticks last, the sticks are, hold on, it was $4.99. Okay, it's a pack of 100. All right. The beads, the Cerapill beads, $22.99. The gel, this, I hope I was pronouncing it right, Cerapill, is $14.99. And then this blue, nice blue stuff here is $18.99. And the wax warmer, the GG wax warmer, is $28 even. Okay. So I'm not sure if the prices have changed, because you know how Amazon do, because sometimes you have stuff in your cart and they be like, oh, we got an important message in your cart, and I'll be like, bruh, like, I'm gonna need y'all to stop changing the you see what I'm saying, changing the prices out here. Like, it's in the cart. Look, I bought, you see what I'm saying, like, let it stay like that. Okay, don't change it. Okay. Let me stop. But anyway, so that is my little wax haul. So I will be doing a self-care day so I can wax myself and stuff like that. So I'll be able to do that. Not sure if I'm going to do. I'm not going to do no Brazilian because on myself, no, that is crazy. But I'll just try to do, you know, a little here, you know, just a little bit, whatever. I know it's TMI, but this is life, okay? So this is what it is. But I don't wax my legs. I usually shave my legs. So waxing my legs, I'm not gonna do that. I may do a demonstration on YouTube on my legs, not my underarm, okay? But for my legs, so you guys can see. But other than that, yeah. So let me know if you guys have heard of this, you know, heard of these products. I know a lot of people have heard of the warmer, the Gigi warmer. They sell that at Sally's. But I haven't been to Sally's since Rona, I don't think so. Yeah. So, I don't think so. So, yeah, so that's basically about that. And, I just heard these products on YouTube, so I was like, let me just try them and see. And I heard good reviews on it, so let's just hope and pray, because you guys know I have sensitive skin, so we just got to hope and pray that this does work and does not, you know, break me out. It's not. Because when you put stuff out there, it happens. It's like, stop showing me. Okay. All right, so that's basically about that. So let me know if you guys have used this. If so, let me know how it went. If not, whatever. Let me know either way. And I am done, you guys, with my little wax haul. And if you guys want me to do a review, I will come back with a review, okay? All right. So I am done, you guys. So you have any questions to that? Watching. Peace. Bye.